everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to make this really quick and delicious honey garlic glazed salmon. This is so easy and it's so flavorful. I know you're gonna love it. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're gonna make a delicious honey garlic glazed salmon. This is super easy and you can eat it warm, you can eat it fresh out of the oven, you can eat it chilled, and we're gonna be using part of this later in another video. And we've been making components all along this whole week, and we're gonna make another delicious kind of composed salad, and it's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna be using this salmon in it. But first we have to make the honey glaze, and that's what we're gonna do. So what I have here is about a pound. It might be a little more. The way they sell salmon at the grocery store varies. Sometimes you have a fish counter where you can buy a whole side of salmon. That would be my preference. But today I have 4 nice sized fillets. This is farm raised Atlantic salmon. The skin has been removed. That is also my preference. And we're gonna be baking this in a 350-degree oven. So we're gonna use this, we're gonna put this delicious glaze on it, and the glaze consists of a half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons each of lemon juice, grainy brown mustard, soy sauce, and 4 cloves of garlic. That's all that's in this glaze. It's super simple. So let's mix this glaze up. We're just gonna get all of these ingredients in the bowl. In goes the honey, the grainy brown mustard, the lemon juice, the soy sauce, and the garlic. And that's it. Give this a good stir. You just want to make sure this is well blended. And just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna get my little drink whisk in here just to make sure. And now all we have to do is put this delicious glaze all over our salmon. We're just gonna take our little brush and we're going to evenly distribute this glaze. You can use this also as marinade. So you could pop this in a Ziploc bag with the salmon and let it marinate for about an hour or so. And then you can just put it in a baking dish and stick it in the oven. But today we're just gonna go for it right now. I'm just gonna put this glaze on it, and then we're gonna pop it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You just want the salmon to be flaking nicely. You wanna make sure that you don't overcook it, otherwise it's gonna be dry, and nobody likes dry salmon. You want it to be nice and moist. This marinade would also be lovely for chicken or pork. You could marinate some pork chops or some pork tenderloin in this, and it's gonna be great. I used about half that glaze, but I'm gonna keep it off to the side because about 10 minutes into the cooking process, I'm gonna check this, and then I may baste it again and add more glaze. You can also keep the glaze off to the side and you can serve it with the meal. So I'm gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, our honey garlic glazed salmon was in the oven for 20 minutes. I checked it at 10, I basted it again, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I went ahead and I took the extra glaze and I popped it in a saucepan on high heat, and I monitored it until it reduced down to a jammy consistency. And after it was finished cooking, I took it out of the oven and I brushed it with this delicious, thick, jammy honey and garlic soy sauce glaze. And I have got to tell you, it is amazing. Do you want to taste it?
If I have to.
Tell me what you think.
Wow, surprisingly good.
The salmon is nice and flaky, but it's still nice and moist, nice and supple. It's not dried out. You want to monitor that. You don't want your salmon to be completely dried out, otherwise it's very unpleasant to eat. Now we're going to be using at least one of these fillets in another video later on in the week, and that is going to be absolutely delicious. I can't wait to share it with you. So this is one of the components we've been doing. We did the white wine vinaigrette, we did the potato and green bean salad, and we've done this. And then it's all going to come together with a few other ingredients, and it's going to make a fabulous like dinner salad platter. It'll be the grand finale. So that's how you make a really quick and easy, delicious honey garlic glazed salmon that you can make any night of the week. It's super fast to make. You can make your sides while baking this in the oven, and it's all good. So I hope you give this a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.